Hello, how are you? Alex Bewing here. I'm super excited to join you in this internet marketing adventure channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the red button below and you'll get a notification whenever we have new content. Now, today I have some extremely good news. Many of you have been asking how to get started online, so I have started a course called First Steps Online. For you to get access, there is a link below. Okay, having said that, I have some very interesting case study to share with you today on the same theme of how to create a course online. Why I like online courses, because you get a recurring income. You create a course once, but you get paid over and over and over and over again. That's what it's called passive income, and that's why I love online courses. Okay, I have a friend of mine called Brian. This is a very interesting story. Listen carefully. Brian used to work as a production planner in a manufacturing concern. What he realized that many of his colleagues were approaching him time and again to ask him on PowerPoint presentation skills. So he discovered he has some expertise which other people don't have. And he decided, instead of repeating himself over and over again, giving the same explanation, he decided to create an online course to help his colleagues who were interested in upgrading their skills on PowerPoint. Now, after some time, he discovered that there was more interest in his courses, and he decided to charge online for the course. Within a short period of time, let's say 4 months or 6 months, he discovered that whatever income he was earning from his online course, he was able to pay bills. So that's when he decided to quit his job and concentrate on his online course. Now, as we are speaking now, the online course is, he's making a living out of his online course. What do you get out of that? Here is the lesson. Look around you. If you are have a 9 to 5 day job, particularly so, look at the skills you have, the skill set you have. Look at what people approach you for, and you can make a course out of that, like Brian did with his PowerPoint. This is one of the many case studies I share in the First Steps Online, which I've just said you can get access to. There's a link below for you to get access. This is case study number 1. In the next video, I'll be sharing with you a similar case to Brian, but on a different niche altogether. Stay tuned. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye for now.